5 spices that silently save your heart while you sleep. What comes to your mind when you hear the word spice? Just flavor? Just aroma? Well, whatever the answer, one thing is certain. Spices are far more powerful than most people realize. Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Health Maestro. Now, when it comes to heart health, one of the biggest silent threats working against us is chronic inflammation and arterial damage, processes that continue even during the night while our body is supposed to be healing. According to researchers, specific natural compounds found inside everyday spices carry remarkable cardioprotective properties. Studies confirm that antioxidants and bioactive molecules in spices can defend against serious conditions, including heart disease, arterial plaque buildup, and cardiovascular damage. The best part? You won't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. These are spices you likely already own. That's why today, we found 5 incredible spices that might silently protect your heart while you sleep. And you'll find every single one of them already sitting in your kitchen. By the end of this video, you will know 5 specific spices ranked from least to most impactful for overnight heart support, along with the exact preparation, dosage, and timing for each one. By the way, don't miss number 2. It's truly something special. Let's dive in. Spice number 5. Ginger. Ginger is the most familiar spice on this list, and it earns the 5th spot because its cardiovascular benefits, while real, are broader and somewhat less specific to the overnight repair window than the spices above it. Ginger, a spice loved for centuries for its zesty flavor and medicinal properties. The active compounds in ginger are called gingerols and shogaols. Both have documented anti-inflammatory activity, but shogaols, which form when ginger is dried or heated, are notably more potent. For blood pressure, ginger appears to act on the same pathway as a class of drugs called calcium channel blockers. When calcium channels allow smooth muscle cells in the artery walls to tighten, pressure rises. Ginger compounds have been shown to interfere with this process. A 2019 meta-analysis in phytotherapy research covering 6 randomized controlled trials found that daily ginger supplementation above 2 grams per day was associated with modest but statistically significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Ginger also mildly inhibits platelet aggregation, the tendency of blood cells to clump together. At night, when blood flow slows, this clumping risk increases slightly. That makes ginger's gentle antiplatelet effect more relevant during sleep than it might first appear. So, how to consume ginger? Steep 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or half a teaspoon of dried powder in 8 ounces of hot water for 8 minutes, with the lid on. Drink 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Spice number 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's most important cardiovascular benefit is indirect, and that is exactly why most people underestimate it. Blood sugar instability is a direct threat to your arterial lining. When glucose spikes, it triggers a process called glycation. Sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins in your blood vessel walls, making them stiff and brittle. Overnight glycation happens silently and cumulatively, contributing to the arterial stiffness that drives up blood pressure in people over 50. Cinnamon's active compound, cinnamaldehyde, improves insulin sensitivity, the ability of your cells to pull glucose out of the bloodstream efficiently. A 2003 study in diabetes care found that 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily for 40 days reduced fasting blood glucose by 18 to 29% in people with type 2 diabetes, with additional reductions in triglycerides of 23 to 30% and LDL cholesterol of 7 to 27%. One important note: Ceylon cinnamon, called true cinnamon, is lower in a compound called coumarin. High doses of coumarin can cause stress in the liver. Ceylon is the safer choice for daily use compared to the more common cassia variety. The overnight relevance is this: if you eat dinner between 6 and 8 p.m. and blood sugar is still elevated at 10 p.m., when you go to sleep, glycation is occurring during your body's prime repair window. Cinnamon taken with your evening meal can help blunt that spike and lower overnight glucose levels. Let's see how to consume cinnamon to get proper benefits. Stir half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon into warm water or chamomile tea, or add it to a small bowl of plain yogurt taken 20 to 30 minutes after dinner. If you do not get Ceylon, keep cassia cinnamon below 1 teaspoon per day. Hello, good people. If this is your first time joining us, a huge warm welcome. I'd absolutely love to know where you're watching from. Drop a comment below and just tell us your country. We have friends all over the world on this wellness journey with us. Spice number 3, turmeric. Turmeric, at number 3, is the most research-backed anti-inflammatory spice, and the overnight repair window is exactly where it shines. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been studied in over 120 clinical trials as of 2023. The most important finding for cardiovascular purposes is not its cholesterol effect, which is modest, but its effect on the endothelial lining itself. A 2012 study in nutrition research tested curcumin supplementation against aerobic exercise training in postmenopausal women. After 8 weeks, both interventions significantly improved endothelial function as measured by flow-mediated dilation, a standard test of how well arteries expand when blood flow increases. The curcumin group improved by roughly the same amount as the exercise group. That is a striking finding. It suggests curcumin can meaningfully improve the functional health of blood vessel walls. The mechanism involves suppressing NF-κB, a signaling molecule that acts like an inflammation switch inside cells. When NF-κB stays chronically activated, as it tends to with age and stress, it keeps the endothelium in a low-grade inflammatory state around the clock, including overnight. Curcumin is one of the most well-studied natural suppressors of this switch. Here is the major catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. Studies consistently show that plain turmeric powder results in very low blood concentrations. The solution is piperine, a compound found in black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, according to a pharmacokinetic study published in Planta Medica in 1998. So, how to prepare it? Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, roughly 1/8 of a teaspoon, into warm milk or oat milk or water. Now add a small pinch of black pepper for the better absorption of curcumin. This is the traditional golden milk preparation. You can also add a small amount of a healthy fat like coconut oil or whole milk because curcumin is fat-soluble, which further aids absorption. Take it 30 minutes before sleep. If using a curcumin supplement, look for 1 standardized to 95% curcuminoids and formulated with piperine or as a phytosome. Spice number 2, saffron. Saffron takes the second position not because it is the most studied spice overall, but because its documented effects map almost perfectly onto what the heart needs most during sleep: reduced cortisol, improved sleep architecture, and lower vascular inflammation, all at once. The primary active compounds are crocin and safranal. Crocin has been shown to influence serotonin reuptake, the same pathway targeted by certain antidepressants. Safranal appears to have a sedative effect through GABA pathways, the same system that sleep medications act on. A 2021 randomized controlled trial published in the journal Sleep tested 28 milligrams of saffron extract daily against a placebo in adults with self-reported sleep difficulties. After 28 days, the saffron group showed statistically significant improvements in sleep quality, sleep latency, and time spent in deep restorative sleep. Here is why this connects directly to heart health. Poor sleep quality is now classified as an independent cardiovascular risk factor by the American Heart Association. A 2019 review in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that insomnia symptoms were associated with a 13% higher risk of cardiovascular disease, and other JACC research found that short sleep was linked to higher cardiovascular mortality in people with coronary artery disease. When sleep is fragmented, cortisol does not drop properly overnight. Elevated nighttime cortisol keeps blood pressure high, keeps inflammatory signaling active, and directly inhibits the endothelial repair process that your arteries depend on. Saffron breaks that chain. A 2022 study in antioxidants also found that crocin supplementation has been studied for its potential benefits on cardiometabolic health, including inflammation, oxidative stress, and risk factors such as triglycerides and blood sugar, which are relevant to heart health. But the limitation worth knowing: saffron is expensive, and quality varies dramatically by brand. Low-quality saffron sold in bulk may contain little to no active crocins. Look for products that specify crocin content and are standardized to at least 2% crocins per capsule, or buy genuine saffron threads from a reputable source. Let's see how to consume. Steep 5 to 6 saffron threads in 2 tablespoons of warm water for 10 minutes, then add to 6 ounces of warm milk, dairy or plant-based, and drink 45 minutes before bed. If using a supplement, 28 to 30 milligrams of standardized extract per day, taken in the evening, matches the dosages used in the strongest trials. Spice number 1. Garlic. Our top spice is one of the most flavorful and historically revered medicinal plants out there: garlic. The secret to its power is allicin, a sulfur compound that's released when you chop or crush a clove. That's what gives garlic its pungent aroma and its potent health benefits. Healthy arteries are flexible. They need to expand and contract with every heartbeat. As we get older, our arteries can become stiff, which forces the heart to work harder and raises blood pressure. This is where garlic shows some truly remarkable benefits. Studies have shown that regular garlic intake can significantly improve arterial flexibility and slow down the progression of stiffness. On top of that, garlic has a well-documented effect on blood pressure. A major review of studies concluded that for people with hypertension, garlic supplements can lower the top number, systolic, by about 7 to 9 points, and the bottom number, diastolic, by about 4 to 6 points. That's a meaningful drop that can reduce the overall strain on your heart. A 2016 study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine also found that aged garlic extract significantly slowed the progression of coronary artery calcification, essentially, the hardening and calcification of plaque, over a 12-month period compared to placebo. Garlic's role as a purifier also extends to its ability to make blood a little less sticky. It gently helps inhibit platelets from clumping together, reducing the risk of unwanted clots, especially at night when your blood flow naturally slows down. By improving the very structure of your arteries, lowering blood pressure, and keeping blood flowing smoothly, garlic acts as a comprehensive support system for your entire cardiovascular network. Raw garlic and high-dose supplements can thin the blood mildly and interact with blood-thinning medications. This matters especially for anyone on warfarin or aspirin therapy. So, how to prepare it before bed? Crush 1 small garlic clove, let it sit for 10 minutes. This wait time is critical because it allows the allicin-forming enzyme reaction to complete before heat or stomach acid can deactivate it. Then, swallow it whole with water before bed. A word of caution before you start: garlic has a mild blood-thinning effect. If you are currently taking warfarin, clopidogrel, or any prescribed anticoagulant, speak with your doctor before adding garlic or high-dose turmeric to your routine. Curcumin can also interact with certain diabetes medications and some chemotherapy drugs by affecting how the liver processes them. Saffron at very high doses, well above what is recommended here, is not appropriate during pregnancy if you are managing multiple conditions or taking more than 2 prescription medications. A short conversation with your doctor before making these changes. So finally, let's bring it together. Saffron improves your sleep and lowers overnight cortisol. Garlic directly improves arterial flexibility and blood pressure. Turmeric targets endothelial inflammation at its root. Cinnamon prevents the overnight blood sugar damage that silently stiffens your arteries, and ginger supports circulation and mildly reduces platelet clumping while you rest. You do not need all 5 at once. Start with whichever 2 match your most pressing concern and build from there. Here is the question I want you to answer in the comments. Which of these 5 spices are you already using? And have you noticed any difference in your sleep or your blood pressure readings since you started? Your experience helps other people watching this decide where to begin.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.